institutions gain anything by installing and by using robotic teachers? Well, yes, there are a few benefits to institutions having robots as teachers. One of the things that robots will be good at is facilities management. Whatever facilities will be there will be stored in their memory like 100%. No need to say, oh, I forgot actually. Was there something there? Oh, was there a piece of cardboard there? The robot teacher or robotics will be able to maintain the record without any interference whatsoever. So robotic teachers are good at facilities management. They are also good at staff scheduling and management. And our institution will rely on the fact that, our teachers, which is the greatest asset they've got, have to teach, they have to do these extracurricular activities. And because of that, there has to be scheduling, there has to be timetables, and the teachers have to stick to those timetables. Sometimes that could be a bit challenging. Why? Because you might say, we want this teacher A, to go and teach IT to this classroom. Then teacher A has got other commitments elsewhere. Maybe there's something that has come up. But when you use robots in terms of staff scheduling and management, they will be on it 100%. For institutions that actually engage themselves in offering transportation services, there are, for example, buses, and different buses will take different routes. Robot teachers will be very good in terms of allocating what route will be used by what bus and what timings and things like that, such that if there is any challenge with one particular route, the robot teacher will be able to say, there is a challenge with this route. Why? Because maybe the robot teacher has been fed with information from the internet regarding maybe an accident that has happened on that route. So they'll be able to advise quickly that this route won't be as fast as usual because there is an accident that just happened. So that is another benefit to the institution. And also because robotics can have data and learning analytics, it means they'll be able to analyze whatever learning style, whatever assessments have been given to the student, whatever tests or exams have been given to the student, and be able to give you a comprehensive analysis of how the learner is performing. They might be able to say, look, learner A performed so well in these two subjects in the first semester, but in the second semester, they didn't perform well. And because of that, that could maybe ignite a search or ignite an inquisition. What could have caused this change? Why did this learner drop from A+ to D? And because there is that analysis, the robot teacher will be able to offer some solutions to that learner so that they can catch up and go back to the A+ student they were. Now, also, you've got what are known as chatbots. Chatbots are the type of robots that will be installed in an institution and will help parents to enroll into specific courses. Or in fact, we have chatbots that can even speak to parents or to prospective students and give them as much detailed information as possible so that they are able to make up their minds which school, which course they would want to do. And those chatbots can actually interact with 3, 4, 5 different people at the same time, giving each one of them information just like that. So the institutions will preserve some of its stuff for other tasks and let the chatbots, let the robot deal with some of these inquiries regarding the enrollments and the retention of the learners. Transcription of faculty lectures, again, where when a lecturer wants to start teaching, the way I'm doing, the first thing is to prepare your lesson. You have the notes, the points, this is the topic, this is what I'm going to do. And after that, you go into the classroom, you go topic by topic until you finish. Well, robots actually can be of a greater benefit because they can have up-to-date information regarding specific topics, which sometimes might take a while for a human teacher to go and do a bit of research. As long as the robot has got the latest updates, you are talking about almost instantly robots providing the latest information with regard to any topic that the learning process is about.